They say Ijele have tried to come back to his village and say that Gentle and his men will not do anything to him. And finally, Ijele is back in his village. For us of you wanna know am as Ijele na be the king of the game for his Facebook name wey dey answer. King of the game na be Udele as well. No be small thing o. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If na today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Abenekwu eziokwu. And before we jump into the matter wey we get for hand today, make sure say you share this video. Very, very important. Okay, my people, una know Ijele wey be Udele. Some of una know am as in current name wey dey answer na, which is king of the game, wey don come aside dey talk many things about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. And anything concerning Biafra, say no like am at all. Say na thief that they use and the thief. So for the period of time, now people they tell and say make him come home, make him come home. And nah, the guy don't finally come home. He say Gentle will be the commander for Biafra Liberation Army, and the men he no go fit do anything to am. Say that they fear am. This one shock me oh. And we will go play the video when they talk this thing, and after we watch the video finish, we will come back, continue, and we also play the video when you come back for your village as well. So it go there for the end of the video where they watch. So that's why I have to watch the video from beginning to end. May hear everything we talk for this particular video.
You understand? So they come to Igbo land, I dey Igbo land like this. So I don't need to tell you. Some people saw me at the airport, you know. Maybe the bingos they can they say, hey, yeah, I know some people saw me at the airport before they will start gossiping. Let me forwardly tell you, okay, make I use my mouth talker. Yes. So some people, as I pass them, one just come mention my name to them, say they and you see, it's not for social media. You say why you know they fear Gentle? Okada man. Ono Okada. Ono Okada. Like me, Olumba. Me. This my maternal home now, na there I from come. Okay? When I pass on, I would not want to be buried in Amandoba. Nobody should try that nonsense. Anybody that tries it, I will not be buried in Amandoba. I will be buried in the road. Okay? Ime mkpọtụ village unu niile ọ bụrụ na amụghị everything dị ọkụ wokata ọbara there, I will not live alive. The day I will relocate permanently to Aligbo, believe me, una no go like on herself. All this noise is it go be from camp to camp. Camp shebi una dey run for Kigwe Nabi. Or Kigwe people, if you know what you keep for your village, now go collect amu. Go carry anything where you keep for village. Go collect am now. And of course, you go be they still dey bit careful. But if you from Ako, if you are from Ako, you be say no problem. Go there, go collect what you. They no fit. These people, anke take up down. Let me block one of those. Umochu, guys, please hit the like button and share. They don't come. Umokoko. If you are from Okigwe, go now and take whatever you have there. Go and take it now. Okay? In this video. Only in Imo State. Ega Fukuya one day. Oh no, why don't we Google? That video you made, I don't know if it was in Okija or where, because that's the, you know your place is safe now since the people you supported were chased out. And you were talking about Imo State. You said, what? Say we know they talk how they came to power again. But this is what you people have been talking from day one. This is what you've been saying from the one. Tag Nonso Nkwa, Tonda Bobuogi there, Anumpama. Tell me when to come to your studio, Nonso Nkwa. Let us talk man to man on air. All these useless people you say na them love you. No, let me expose Nonso Nkwa before you. Let me expose him before you people. Oh no, Wibo, you marono, manye na Imo State. No, bro, okay, si ba. Mana okay, si ba ne kunu jukwata ndoshi and Imo State break a prison. And you were supporting them then. Still, you had the guts to be weighing in on you. Now your own governor. We were talking about your governor. Face him. I'm happy you are telling Soludo the bitter truth. Okay? I'm happy you are telling Soludo the bitter truth. I have no problem with that because you love your state. And that is how I love my own state. All these criminals, Mandi politician, your call is still out there. Now this politician, I don't know why the governor is even playing it cool with you. I don't know your boys, if you call them from camps, if you call any of them, manana wagging obon and bisa, what I everything, including unogoku and bisa kan. Oh, like na ndin bis no sawa and bise. No be joke. I got everything did you like here. Foolish man. Look at how you read our beautiful state. Ndiara, because of politics. Eh? Aneku umuokada. Jirebwe na atadi ni mwa na koyeri. Ndoshi ndi nande kanu po. Uno di kishi nemebi unemebi. Umuiti. Anom no where. Only esi na ibijugon doge. Don't worry, come. Guys, hit the like button and share the video. Umuiti. Ndiara. My grandfather told the truth until he passed on. And I am a living Olumba. Like a living Olumba. Kamado Gana Sem na I will see the truth and not say it in Ige Megani. Call them. The remnant of Banga boys, call them. These ones who don't go back to Zombe, gather them. In case no oji, in case no oji, and at your gate, call anybody. Like Bukotanu Olobu Nunuha. Everybody come out from Anambraga to So and all this in the Nuguna Joneba. Like you can gather them together. Ufuamana come then Mjago Suzuno ete shabufoba. Somebody say freedom for shigi. Oh, in the fight freedom now. But before he said he wasn't free. Eh? Anumpama, have you told your governor the bitter truth? No, because he was the one that set up ESN to destabilize his own government now. Now he set up ESN. Let me block Ocho. Come outside. Obuhi no with a fake account na akohiri. Okay? Obuhi no with a fake account na akohiri. I will grind your full family. Let me block what. Umano or fake account kunga de jina type. Eh? Also fake account kinga de jina ta. Onwere ndi unu na threaten. Like onwere ndi unu na agwa that nonsense. Ihe promise ge bu na onwe hu no ga for na bu. Like and then na agwa ge na mmadụ ọkwa ma mmadụ mu no. Like edewezie the news at least ekuzie ya na enwere ihe butere ya mgba ekuzi okwu nonsense of ma politicians ma everybody itachacha afufu egwa m ihe mụ na gị na-azọ anụmanụ oh, what do you do? You do. You talk about Ojukwu. Oh, you be Ojukwu family. You the mad? You be Ojukwu family. Mpago Ojukwu. Anuman. All the things I'm saying about him, you think his family, all of them are not hearing it? You think his entire family are not there? You think they don't know the truth? Even in Nnamdi Kanu, Emmanuel, all of them, are they saying they are not aware of what they've been doing? Why did they ban the nonsense in their own community? Biafra, Bruno the headquarters Agawana Abia State. Bruno the Agawana Abia State, Ebunu Sune Ebunu Ebo Shiputa. Nnamdi said Biafra means Biafra. I have the video, so don't come and just if I'm accusing him. Then why don't you take this into Afara? Ndoshi. Go for Kigwe. Now so gentle they carry people land though. Now gentle that land where you they collect for their hand for Kigwe where you they force them to sign. Land will go worth 5 million, you go pay them 100,000, 150, 200 for land. Any person will no sign, they go buy. Yes, I did tell you this is the gospel truth. This they are gentle now. I am telling you. Let them ask him. Let them ask him. Let them ask them to this one I said. Now, when they are writing that receipt, are they writing it under Nigerian government or Biafra government? If you get no she can know what this thing is. Those lands gentle is collecting from people in Okigo because he's still doing it. He collected many already. 2 opposite each other near is it Nihot or Kigwe government college, federal government college or Kigwe land this side and that side where the main road made them sign their own land. Hey, if you know sign they go by you and on the lookout. Because then they use Biafra, they cover their scam. Obunum ki na be mere propaganda. No, your propaganda will not work with me. I know you are a criminal. You're after me because I'm exposing your criminality and I'm going to deal with you to the last. None of this your boys go come near me. Any place where you see me, before bullets where they guns where they around there go finish. Then go they decide whether na melting or they go use on a body feed crocodile or go dump on her somewhere. You see this recycling plant, eh? Let them finish this election first. Let them finish this election. The governor needs to carry a stick and a carrot. Those in the bush, come out. Forget what you've done for them. They will not use it to betray you again. Say you know that this is a scam. You now know this is what they've been doing. You get your amnesty. If you are living outside, you leave. You are changing environment, change environment. But you see those of you in the bushes, the day we will relocate to this southeast, there will be an incinerator in this Owerri, industrial incinerator. Next 50 years, I can according in incinerator. Mana after that, I'm telling you.
Yeah, this is Ijele speech live at Umudimoda Muko, my maternal home. I said I go come now. Only put over where you are now, Bro Jebia. We day live for Bro Jebia. So in case in case of if they go do forget now soft target they find. If they see gun they run, forget they don't go till they want to. No later on they go they run. If they try anything, they try themselves, they go here and no be go come. Stay safe, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, my wonderful people. You don't see him, say you don't watch him. The guy don't finally dey Boland there. For most of now we go come back, we go come here, come they talk say, why they bringing video come up? They make him popular, you're making it to be relevant. Shut up. I say, make you shut up. In talk and say he go come back, and he don't come back. As he don't come back now, well, move the watch. But however, your nonsense comments are still welcome. To me, I'm not talking to how we go right to for him. no concern me. But yeah, come when I believe that one person come here one day where I bring you video say bring and why are you sharing this guy? You see, we will follow you. Now me go even block and say me get out from my page. Because I bring information, gonna give you. Because I no bring the one where you like. That's why they come here, they come they write nonsense. The guy don't come back. He don't come back. He dey Biafra and none of us like waiting they talk, but he good sometimes more with the first linearity. In the house. So you where they say make him come house, make him come house. He don't come. Anything we want do now, do am. One see am for our own eyes. More no say they play, they show. I wait you want see. So I will carry the news where you go like. Okay, my people, I beg, may you leave your own opinion for inside comment section.